Hey, so I have a Samsung Meteor mic, but it sucks with Discord, so I bought this really dirty pair of Logitech G430s on eBay for 99 cents with $12 shipping. I clean a lot of used items, so I just decided to start recording that. And by the way, this entire video is going to be recorded on the headset, so you can use it as an audio test, and this is direct to the board, not with the USB dongle. Anyway, my strategy here was to use this dollar store LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Cleaner, which is basically the same as OxyClean. Throw a capful into hot water and let it soak. So while those were soaking, I wiped down the microphone as well as the exterior ear cups and the interior part. And that is just a cotton ball soaked in rubbing alcohol. Alright, let's check on the ear pads. Look how disgusting that is. As you can tell, the rubber coating that was surrounding the ear pads flaked off, so I decided to remove it completely. Anyway, in they go for round 2. And here's how they look after 2 soaks of about 2 hours each. The lighting is horrible and they're not pristine, but much better. Getting the headband back into place was a struggle, so I left that in. Please enjoy my suffering. Ultimately, it was worth it for a cheap headset. It's not the best, but it cuts down on background noises. I would like to say that the quality of the audio from the USB dongle is much worse than board sound, but it's okay. Thanks for watching.